Welcome to TDSS Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will be setting up your Star4Live account. Let's create your Star4Live account. To begin, go to os.star4live.com. Click on Sign Up. Fill out the sign-up form. We recommend registering using email. A code will be sent to the registered email. Check your email's inbox, spam, or junk folder. Enter the verification code. Finish the form. Acknowledge the service agreement and privacy policy. Click Register. On the upper right corner, click on the user avatar. Here, you can see the profile information. You can update your password here. You can add two-factor authentication and cancel the account from here. Let's log out and test your login credentials. Congratulations, your account is ready. Thank you for choosing Tough Dog for your security products. Subscribe for more videos.